This is gonna be so freaking awesome. So I'm gonna make hors d'oeuvres using this breadlets. They're not crackers, they're kind of like the naan or gyro kind of bread. The sous vide frozen filet, the dried mango. When the whole thing is put together, it's gonna be those things covered with mango, with some sauce that I'm gonna concoct, and the slices of filet on top. Oh, it's gonna be mouth-wateringly amazing. So after some careful testing, here's what I've come up with. We're gonna use, this is what I found. So we're gonna have the sauce, the lobster spread, the mango, and the filet mignon. This is now defrosted, nice and soft. Okay, I'm gonna heat up the oven in 350. Bam bada bim. Have a drink. In the meantime, my favorite skillet, olive oil, more. There you go. Half a stick of butter. What are we gonna use this for? Write down in comments over there. Or you're gonna have to wait. So, boom. Oil and butter is melting. I like this for my steak better. So now again, here we have our steak. And this steak is no joke. Like I mentioned before, this is a sous vide filet mignon from the other day that I froze. And today I'm unfreezing it. I unfroze it actually, so that I could utilize it for greater good. All right, slice this mother up. Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da. Look at this beauty. It is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know. We'll see if I need more. I'll get more. The butter is practically melted. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Some garlic salt to this. Some more pepper. Why? Because most likely the filet got washed out. And we're gonna gently place it in my butter. Beautiful. It's okay. Can let this one stay for a little longer. Look how it's coming out. What? Amazing. Now, put it on the side. Then on the side. Yeah. Just like that. Perfect. And voila. This bad boy is going back in there for now. These two guys are coming out and we're gonna lay them down right here. How do we look? Ooh, like $1,000,000. Now we're gonna take the oven, pull this thing out, and we're gonna throw some of these things on there. We're gonna do a bunch. Oh, where the hell not? Just do all of them. I feed them in there. Okay. Close it up. Off it goes. The meat. Take the rope off. Just in there. Next rope. Get rid of it. I want to taste it. I'm just going to take this piece. Incredible. Delicious. I want to make this little filets that we're going to put on our miniature sandwiches. So bad it's good. I just ate that one because I couldn't. Delicious. Absolutely incredible. It's all good. Put that in there. Look at this. Look how soft and tender this meat is. Excellent. Now, our little breads are nice and hot and soft. What are we going to do? We're going to do a little bit of this here magic. We're going to put these breads into this oil because it just makes total sense, doesn't it? Flip it. Hot. Oof, so good. Now we're going to take them out and put the next batch. Right? With this batch. One more. Okay. Now we flip. And we take them out. We take this off and put meat aside and let it rest. Mango. Look at this. We need a bigger knife for this because it's kind of tough. Look at this mangoes. You better be quiet, boy. I don't need your voice here. Maybe a better idea would be to put it in a food processor. I don't know. I should probably try that because this is really laborious. And all I need is just, I'm just gonna chop it up like this and then throw it in a food processor because this is ridiculous. My hand is already tired. It's food processor it is. Where is it? We're just gonna process the shit out of this bugger. Boom. It doesn't really want to process it that way. Shit. That didn't work. Check your fingers out. Oh, look at this. Stuck pretty bad. Goes back to the knife, huh? Nothing happened. It didn't even cut any of it. Ay, ay, ay. This is terrible. That was a fail. All right then. Oh shoot. Maybe it'll go better this time. All right, so let's load this shit up. Whew. The solution was a little avocado oil to get it going, and then I also dumped the sauce that I was gonna use for actually saucing, that's the word, right? My little hors d'oeuvres. I'm just gonna mix it with the mango. It's gonna get mixed up anyway, and see if it works. All right, it's spinning. See what came out. Interesting. Didn't really chop it up, and just mixed it up. That's kind of weird. Well, let's give it a couple more spins. Maybe it'll blow it apart a little bit. All right, I give up. It's fine as it is. It's good enough. Oh, look at that. Actually, it's quite good. Nice, thick, gooey consistency, which I actually want. Next, I will taste. Interesting, but it needs more sauce. So I'm gonna mix up a little bit more favorite sauce. So for that, I'm going to take lime juice. Not that much. Worcestershire. Good. Chili with garlic sriracha. And let's add some, let's put some shrimp on the barbie, huh, as they say. Why doesn't it? Oh, here we go. Some barbecue sauce, mustard, and ketchup. So see, it's not over mayo-y. It is just overly fucking amazing. And we mix and we mix and we mix until it becomes smooth in its consistency. And then we're gonna put a few more of it in here, and then we mix here. And we taste. Very nice. Now, next step, we're gonna have our whole entire manufacturing facility set up here. Let me just, maybe I should just flip it. All right, now, we're gonna grab a dab of this and a steak. And grab a dab of this. And a steak. Take a look at this deliciousness. You know what? That's pretty much it. This too will go into history as never utilized. Next, we're gonna do some presentation. We're gonna present this. Well, but this is not over yet. Oh, I almost forgot. That's the last touch. We're gonna lay these guys out here. This is how we lay them out. Nice and neat. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at this set of amazing, gorgeous hors d'oeuvres. How do you say it? Hors d'oeuvres? Hors d'oeuvres. Whatever's. Anyway, yeah. So we're gonna lay them out. Just like that. Two more. Perfect. And this one, spread them out evenly. Oh, this goodness. I'm like blown away. What is this? I'm gonna take this little itsy bitsy spoon here, and we're going to open our main lobster spread, and we're gonna put a touch, just like that. Main lobster. Just a touch. Okay, and finally, this and this, like this, we're just gonna go ahead and cover the, not completely, don't cover it completely, because then it kind of looks to the point where its gorgeousness is just going to be accentuated, not right. And this is where we are now. Look at this. And now, to prove to you that it is in fact edible, I'm going to take a bite. Wow. A few of those. I don't need a dinner. Thank you, guys. So?
Can I?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's good shit, huh?
What is the sauce?
That's that mango with this.
Bro, that's so good. Okay, stop recording.
I hope you liked what you saw. Make it, create it, cook it. Share it in the comments. Like the video, subscribe. Have a wonderful Friday. Enjoy.